for today's video, we're gonna wash some dishes. I'm serious. I'm talking about a dishwasher. Alright, so I was invited by Comfee to review or feature their dishwasher. It's a mini dishwasher actually, but I was a little hesitant at first. I haven't used any dishwasher before. And second, here in London, the space is very limited, especially in the kitchen. So I wasn't quite sure that it will fit on the kitchen, and quite fortunate that we have a space in our kitchen that would fit the dishwasher. Alright, to cut the story short, I got the Comfee mini dishwasher. If you're new to this channel, hit on that subscribe button. I do a lot of tech videos, reviews, unboxing, and walkthroughs. So, without further ado, let's start with unboxing. I got this from Amazon UK, and if you're purchasing this, I must point out that this is heavy. Inside the box, you'll see the instruction manual and the Comfee dishwasher. The rest of the accessories is inside the dishwasher. One of the reasons why I accepted this is because it is super easy to set up and you don't have to connect this to your tap. At the back you have the power cable, you have the inlet and the outlet for the water, and there's a ventilation on the side. And at the front you have the main touch control panels. You have the power button as well as the 6 modes, and also there's a manual plus and minus for the delay, including the start and pause. And here are the other accessories. We have the inlet and outlet water hose. We have the 1.8 liter container to manually top up your water. We have the water catch so you won't spill water while filling. You also have a funnel if you need to add salt, and a glass holder. This Comfee Mini Plus dishwasher comes with a huge capacity. It has 3 place setting capacity, which fits up to 17 categories and 30 pieces of tableware, and a plate size up to 270 millimeters. It is ideal for the size of 2 to 3 people. And the first test that we're going to do is the default setting, which is the Eco mode. Alright, so let's load them up with this very dirty plates. We have saucers, bowls, cups with coffee, and silverware. As you can see, it is very dirty. So let's put this dishwasher into action. Alright, we're gonna put the soap and push the plates in. We're gonna add 6 liters of water, but you have an option to connect it to your tap if that is suitable for you. You'll hear a beeping sound once the water tank is full. The Eco mode is a standard program suitable to clean normally soiled tableware, and this is the most efficient program in terms of its combined energy and water consumption for the type of tableware. While it's washing, the temperature of the water will be 55 degrees Celsius, and while rinsing it's 70 degrees Celsius, and also it dries your dishes. Total detergent that you'll use is 11 grams, and the total time for this mode is 155 minutes. That is pretty long actually, but it only uses 0.446 kilowatt hour energy, and of course the 6 liters of water. Other modes include hygiene 72 degrees, which is for heavily stained dishes, specially designed for baby tableware. Another mode is intensive, up to 70 degrees Celsius, and the washing time is 160 minutes. This is for heavily soiled dishes. And we also have the 58-minute wash, with the temperature up to 65 degrees Celsius. Total minutes is 58, and for normally soiled tableware. There's also rapid mode, which is up to 60 degrees Celsius. Total time is 29 minutes for lightly soiled dishes. And lastly is the glass mode, up to 60 degrees Celsius with total cleaning time of 85 minutes. This is for lightly soiled glasses. And we are done, so let's check out the dishes. Right, so it is a little bit warm because it just came out from the drying mode of the Eco. And so far, all the dishes that I've checked, the saucers, the plates, the bowls, it's very clean and shiny. Even some tiny bowls, and we have the coffee mug, if you still remember, that was very nasty, and including the silverware. So I'm quite impressed, but then again, this took around more than 2 hours to clean because this is under the Eco mode. With the 2 hours cleaning, it only used up 6 liters of water. Quite impressive. Now we're gonna try the rapid mode, which only takes around 29 minutes. I'll be adding some dishes that are actually on the borderline of lightly to heavy soiled dishes. So that would include some plates, glass, bowls, and silverware. So I'm gonna put the soap and put the dish in. Let's get started with the rapid mode. And it's quite fun to look at the window. Sometimes you just stand in front of the dishwasher without noticing that you've been standing there for quite some time. And we're done. And we're gonna check if or how clean the plates are. So they look spotless, sparkling clean, even though it's only on the rapid mode, including the glasses, the bowl, looks spotless as well, and including the silverware. So I'm quite impressed. I'll be using this more, especially on the rapid mode. Okay, now let's go to the babyware. So we're gonna do the hygiene. So I have a few used plates from my baby. These are quite difficult to wash, especially that I'm using a wooden or a bamboo plate, but let's see. Let's give it a go. Okay, so we're done. Let's check out the plates. This one took about 2 hours. I mean, although there was a part where it should dry, but it's somehow still wet. It's not totally dry, but the plates, the bowl is pretty spotless, including this silicone spoon. It's quite impressive. After a few runs on the Comfee Mini Plus dishwasher, here's some benefits that I've gathered up. It's a perfect solution for a single or a couple. You don't have to buy a full-size and expensive dishwasher. Another thing is the size. It's suitable for small-sized houses or kitchen, and no installation required since it allows you to add water manually if there is not a suitable water supply available. And lastly, it only uses 6 liters of water. You might think it's a lot, but actually it's not. To give you an idea, an average 10-minute shower will use up around 90 liters of water. If you want to connect with me, drop a comment down below and also let me know what you think about this Comfee Mini Plus dishwasher. Alright, so let's wrap up this video. If you're interested in getting this product, I have a link in the description below, so feel free to check that out. And also, thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.